Stars, and today we are doing some fun 3D gift wrapping. This year I've cut down the overindulging, and a big reason why I decided to go handmade this year. With that, all my presents aren't really over the top extravagant, but they are made with a lot of love, and that's why I'm making my gift wrapping the same. I think 3D wrapping paper is so cute. I'm going to show you some of my favorite ways to decorate, and all we're going to need is brown paper. Did these turn out, and they didn't take long at all. Such little special ways to make a unique gift like a handmade one more special. I think my favorite definitely is the Polaroid. Tune in tomorrow for some more DIYs as we count down to Christmas, and I'm going to pre-warn there is a slight possibility I might have to do some double days on the weekend to catch up because I am flying down to Sydney for work. I've tried my best to try and be organised, but you know, life is a little unpredictable at these times. So if you don't see me for a few days, you'll get some double episodes on the weekend. Thanks for joining me for 25 DIYs of Christmas. I'll see you again soon for another one.